Hello students, I am Rachna. Today we are going to learn how to compare numbers. Here are some numbers. We have to find out which number is greatest among these numbers. First we count the number of digits. As this number is having more number of digits as compared to other numbers, so it is greatest here. So greater number is 89,742. So if the number having more number of digits is always more than the number having less number of digits. Now what about these numbers? Here we see all the numbers are having same number of digits. In this case, what we have to do? If number having all the digits, same number of digits, then first we compare the digit at leftmost place. In this case, if we compare this one, the value of 1 is less than value of 9. So we can exclude these two numbers as they have least value. So if we see among these three numbers, they are having same value at leftmost place. So what we have to do? Move to the second value. At second place, these two number having 2 on second place, and this is having 0. So as 2 is greater, so we can exclude this number. Now we have to compare among these two numbers. Now as they are having the same digit at second place, so let's move to the third place. If we compare at third place, here we have 0 and here we have 1. As 1 is greater than 0, so this number should be greater. So here this number is greatest among all these numbers. Like this we have to compare the numbers. Now can you find out the greatest and least number among these numbers? This 59,785 is greatest and 18 is smallest. We can easily find out by counting digit as all the numbers having different number of digits. Now you can easily find the greatest and smallest number among these numbers. Now here is a question. Try to find out greatest number among these numbers. So first we have to write this number in a proper form. We can write 38,926 once as 38,926 into 1. If we can write in place value chart like this. Now next is 4,905 tens. We can write it as 4,905 into 10 is equal to 49,050. We can write this number in place value chart like this. Now next is 3,450 which means 3,450 into 100, that is equal to 3,45,000. We can write this number in place value chart like this. Now next is 210,000. It means 210 multiply 1000, and here we got 2,10,000, and we can represent this number in place value chart like this. So in order to compare this number, first we have to count digits of this number. As they are having 5 digits and these two number having 6 digits, so of course they are having greater value. So we can remove these two numbers as they have least number of digits. Now we have to compare these two numbers. So since they are having the equal number of digits, then compare the leftmost digit. So here we have 3 and here we have 2. As of course 3 has greater value than 2. So this number is greatest among all the numbers. So hence 3,400, 1,500 is greatest among all these numbers. Now let's come to estimation. Estimation is nothing but an approximate value. If we, in order to do fast calculation, we can find estimated value of a number. So here we see, find which animal is closer to 260. So you can find it. This rabbit is closer to 260. Now can you find which animal is closer to 270? The elephant and the cat. Both are closer to 270. The number above 265 are closer to 270 and the number below 265 are closer to 260. And what about 265? It is equidistance from both 260 and 270. So we can take its value to either 270 or 260. We can take any one of these two. So now look at the number 17. So it is lies between 10 and 20 and it is closer to 20. So its value is, its estimated value is 20 as it is more closer to 20. Now how we can find out estimated value to the nearest 100? Let's see. Look at the number 410. It is nearer to 500 or 400. As its value lies between 400 and 500 and it is more closer to 400, so its estimated value is 400. So look at the another number 889. As it lies between 800 and 900 and it is more closer to 900, so its estimated value to nearest 100 is 900. So here are some example. Check it whether it's whether their estimated value is correct or not. So here is a question. We have to find their estimated round of sum. So here we have three numbers and we have to find the estimated sum rounding off to nearest 100 and also rounding off to nearest tens. Let's take first number 439. First we have to find its rounding off to nearest 100. How we round off this number to nearest 100? As we discussed earlier, first check it lies between 439 lies between 400 and 500 and it is more closer to 400, so its estimated value nearer to 100 is 400. Now check it for tens place. Now find its value to the nearest tens. So for that we have to check value at tens place. Here we have 39 and it lies between 30 and 40. So it is more closer to 40. So its rounded off value to nearest 10 is 440. Now similarly we can do with this number 334 as it is more closer to 300, so its round off value nearest to 100 is 300. Similarly we can find the value nearest to 10 as 34 lies nearer to 30, so its estimated value nearest to 30 nearest 10 to 10 is 330. Similarly, we can find the value of this number. So if we take sum of these number, here we get 5,000 and in this case we got 5,090. Is this a better estimation? If we compare this to the actual value, this number is more closer to the actual value. So the estimation to the least number is always nearer to the actual value. Let's take another example. So here we have 5,673 minus 436. We have to calculate rounding of difference of these two numbers. So first let's begin to the thousands value. Let's round it off to the thousand value. If we round off this number to the thousand value, we have as this 5,673 rounds off to 6,000, and this 436 is more nearer to 0, so its round off value nearer to 1,000 is 0. If we subtract it, we got 6,000. This is not a reasonable estimate. Why it is not reasonable? Let's see. Now try to find some more closer estimate. So let's try round off to 100. If we round off this number to nearest 100, we round off this value to nearest 100, we got 5,700. Round off value of 436 to nearest 100 is 400. If we subtract it, we got 5,300. This is more meaningful estimate. So here we see that estimation to the least value is always closer to the actual value. So this is better and more meaningful estimate. Thank you all of you.